It's bedtime, my little star. Already? I don't want to sleep yet, Mom. I know, but the moon is waiting for you. The moon? Really? Yes. The moon says, "Good night, little girl." Oh, then I should say good night too. That's right. Let's say good night to everything. Okay. Good night, my toys. Good night, teddy bear. Good night, little lamp. Good night, window. Sleep well, house. You're funny. Funny mom, sleepy girl. Perfect team. Can we read a story before sleeping? Of course. Which story do you want tonight? The one about the little star, please. All right. Once upon a time, there was a little star in the big, dark sky. Was she alone? Yes, she was. She felt small and shy. Aw, poor little star. One night, she looked down and saw a little girl smiling. Like me. Yes, just like you. The girl said, "Shine, little star, shine for me." So sweet. What did the star do? The star smiled and shined very bright. Then the girl smiled too. Yes, the star wasn't shy anymore because she made someone happy. Exactly. When you make someone smile, you shine too. Wow, I like that story. I know you do. It's your favorite. Can you tell it again, please? Only one more time, my love. Yay! One more time. Once upon a time, there was a little star. I know this part. Yes, you do. Do you think stars can hear us? Maybe. If we whisper softly, they can. Then I will whisper. Good night, stars. Good night, moon. Good night, sky. Good night, my little girl. Good night, my lovely mom. Aw, that's the best one. Am I your little star? Always. You shine in my heart every day. That makes me happy. Me too, sweetheart. Now close your eyes. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. In, out. That's it. Feel the calm. Feel the love. Mom? Yes, baby. I love you. I love you more. Sweet dreams, my little star. Sweet dreams.